Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope that all of you will be feeling well. Today, let us start the topic characteristics of a good business plan. It is fourth chapter of your entrepreneurship. In this chapter, we are just trying to know some of the important things of a good business plan or a project report. Dear students, you know that project report or good plan or a business plan, these are the two things which are used interchangeably. And today we will try to know that what are the characteristics of a good plan. Dear students, you know that this business plan, it is the most important document with an entrepreneur or with an enterprise. In this business plan, everything must be clear and it must serve as a roadmap for the business, as a roadmap for the entrepreneur. It must serve in both the ways, whether to handle the long-term project or to handle the short-term project. In both the ways, it must help an entrepreneur to activate its business. But here we must know that what are the things which are important in this regard. The first thing that is very important while preparing a business plan or a project report, that is, it must be clear and realistic in terms of the financial projection. So the finance which is needed for the business, whether it is got from the financial institutions, from a friend, from relatives, but there must be a clear-cut projection in this regard. And it must be realistic. It must not be bogus. It must not be imaginary. So the things which are to be included in this business plan, regarding the finances needed for the entrepreneur, they need to be very realistic. There should not be anything which is imaginary, which is false. So it is one of the important characteristics of a business plan, that the financial projection, it must be clear and it must be realistic. Otherwise, it will deceive the entrepreneur in the long run, and with the result in future, it will not last long. It will prove to be the failure of the business. Second thing in this regard is that detailed market research. Dear students, you know that we are going to start our business and we have to know the environment in which we are going to start this enterprise. It is needed that there must be a detailed market research, because the business stands on the market research of the entrepreneur. If there is not a detailed market research, then there is every apprehension that we are not clear about our buyers, about our customers, and with the result, if we are not clear about these things, with the result, what would happen that in future we cannot get these buyers, or we cannot get the customers for our product, whether that is any type of product. But it is needed that in the business plan or this project report, there must be a detailed market research, which is the lifeblood for our business. Otherwise, if there is not a clear and deep market research, our business cannot stand long. Third is detailed competitor research. This thing that we know that it is the age of competition, and we know that it is the survival of the fittest. In business world, you know that there is a tough competition, as we can say cutthroat competition in prevailing conditions. What happens if there is not a competitor research, a deep research, a thorough research? Then what would happen that we have not informations regarding our competition in the market, and if we have not full preparation regarding our competition, what would happen that in future we cannot stand. We cannot stand in our competition. We cannot compete our competitors in the market, whether that is national market, international market, or that is local market. In all the three ways we cannot compete them. So there must be clear policy regarding this. हाँ, मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ कि ये कंपटीशन के बारे में जो हमारे बाकी जो हमारे ये जो काम करने वाले जो हम प्रोडक्ट बाजार में लिए जा रहे हैं, तो बाकी लोग जो ये प्रोडक्ट लेकर बाजार में आ रहे हैं उनके बारे में हमारी रिसर्च जो है हमने पूरी तरह से उनके बारे में रिसर्च की हो. अगर ऐसा नहीं है, अगर हमारी रिसर्च वो डिटेल्ड नहीं है, तो क्या होगा कि आने वाले जमाने में हमारा बिजनेस जो है वो स्टैंड नहीं रह सकता है. तो इसके लिए लाजमी है कि हमारे पास जो बिजनेस प्लान है, हमारे पास जो प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट है, उसमें डिटेल यानी वजाहत के साथ हमें ये बयान किया गया हो कि मार्केट में हमारे जो बाकी कॉम्पिटिटर्स है उनकी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है, उनकी अहलियत क्या है, वो किस तरह से, किस लिहाज से, किस हद तक हम हमारे प्रोडक्ट से compete कर सकते हैं. तो फोर्थ जो है इस बारे में वो है डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ की डिसीजन मेकर्स, यानी हमारे जो डिसीजन मेकर्स हैं और जो डिसीजन मेकर्स जो हैं वो अहम ओहदों पर हैं, अहम ओहदों पर फाइज हैं, तो उनके बारे में जो वो डिसीजन लेते हैं दैट मस्ट बी डिटेल्ड, यानी उनका डिसीजन जो है, जो फैसला लेने वाले लोग जो हैं, जो हमारी बिजनेस प्लान में लिखा हो कि हमारे फैसला लेने वाले लोग जो हैं, द पीपल हु आर एट द हायर लेवल्स, there must be a description regarding their decisions, that what are the decisions, and the decision they need to be very clear, because if the decisions are not clear, the lower level and the middle level workers, they are not clear about those decisions. What would happen that they cannot understand the decisions, this information would not be clear to them, and with the result there will be this misunderstanding in this order and implement of the order. Dear students, I think that all these 4 points, they are clear to you, and tomorrow inshallah we will start the rest of the characteristics that are needed in a business plan. I hope that you would have got it, and again I would just advise you, request you to be safe in your homes.